Mic check. Mic check. We ready? It's your kinfolk D Ray. What's up, Adrian? Say what's up. Say what's up.
What's up?
Yeah. Avion. Say what's up. Say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, it's the three wise men. We chilling.
It's chilling.
We chilling, huh?
We're chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, today is going down. Huh, let daddy talk. Let daddy talk. No.
Whoa.
Hush, hush. Today is going down. Spending time with my boys in the morning. Hey, hush. Getting ready to go to the Ranger game. You know what I'm saying? Gonna take some pictures. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Then gonna got a video shoot tonight at Club 2010. Boy, need to get his stuff right though before you go check that out. Anyway, gonna be at Club 2010 shooting a video. Funky Town artists gonna be in the set. Gonna be lives going down. Fresh ENT, fully respecting every serious hustle. It's gonna be nice. Anyway, we're gonna have a good day. You know what I'm saying? Studio time tonight going down right here. 4816 East Berry, baby. East side. Eastwood, down Millie Eastwood, right on Berry, right on our block, you can get a Hail Mary, going for the gold, you can call me Red Zone. Yeah, that's that Ayo for y'all that ain't knowing. It's your kinfolk D-Ray, it's going down, baby. 76102, 76105, baby. Clash of the Custom Car Show is going down Sunday. We're going to be in the spot, baby. Wednesday night at the Artwork. It's your kinfolk D-Way with the, and we are the wise men. You know what I'm saying? Say what's up, Adriel. Say what's up, boy.
What's up?
So what's up, Avion? There you go. And we got it. Yo,
What's up?
go ahead and say something to the camera. You say something to the camera. Okay. We get ready to get off in 5, 4, 3, 2, we out.